want to make $100,000 from a faceless YouTube automation channel, here's exactly how to do it, step by step, using a system that's proven to work from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build and grow a successful faceless channel without ever showing your face, using your voice, or spending a ton of money on editors or freelancers. Maybe right now, you're sitting on the floor of your bedroom, staring at your screen, editing a video for a channel that feels like it's going nowhere. You've put in the time. You've followed the advice from every big YouTuber. Upload consistently, hire a team, automate your workflow. But still, nothing's working. You're grinding 10 to 12-hour days, pushing out videos, hoping one of them takes off, and when they don't, it's easy to blame the algorithm. Maybe your niche is too saturated. Maybe you started too late. Maybe it's just not meant to work. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is the strategy. Most people are doing what everyone else is doing. They're copying what gurus say without asking if it actually makes sense. Instead, take a step back and study what successful channels are doing. Not what they say, but what they actually do differently. That's where everything changes. The first thing to focus on is video ideas. Sitting down and thinking, what should I make today? Almost always leads to videos that flop. Instead, look at what's already working. Study top-performing videos from channels across different niches. Ask, why did this go viral? What made people click? And how can this format be applied to your niche in a unique way? Don't copy. Translate proven formats into something that fits your audience. That one shift makes all the difference. Next is titles and thumbnails. Treat them like they matter as much as the video itself, because they do. If no one clicks, no one watches. Take time to write titles that create curiosity, urgency, or emotion. Then pair them with thumbnails that tell a visual story matching that feeling. If it's hard to explain in one sentence why someone should click, the title and thumbnail aren't ready yet. Then comes the script. This is where most people go wrong. Lists of facts aren't enough to hold attention. What keeps people watching is story. Script every video like a mini story. Start with a relatable moment that pulls people in. Build tension. Introduce conflict or a twist. Keep momentum all the way to the end, finishing with some kind of payoff or insight. This works in every niche: finance, gaming, tech, health. Story is universal, and it's the best way to boost retention and watch time. When editing, don't just think about flashy transitions. Think about tone. Make sure the pacing, music, and visuals match the type of video. Horror should feel tense. Finance should feel clean and trustworthy. Build a consistent visual style, colors, fonts, pacing, so the channel has its own look and feel. Even when using stock footage or AI tools, make everything look intentional, not random. Finally, pick a niche and stick with it. Jumping between topics only confuses the algorithm and the audience. Choose something with long-term demand and monetization potential. Then commit. Stay consistent. Use the same framework on every video and focus on getting better with each upload. That's how a successful faceless YouTube channel is built. No guessing, no copying random tactics, just a clear, repeatable system. The channel starts growing, videos take off, revenue becomes consistent, and eventually, the process can run without needing to be involved in every step. This all starts with one decision. Stop doing what isn't working and start building something real. If a faceless channel is something you're thinking about or already trying without results, don't quit. Just change the approach. Use this system. It works.